Have you ever sat right next to someone you love, maybe your child or your partner or your close friend, and realized that you weren't actually there? You are looking at them, you can hear the sound of their voice, but in your head, you are worrying about a deadline coming up, or you are thinking about your finances, or you are rewriting a work email, or you are replaying a conversation from 3 days ago. I mean, your body is in the room, but you are miles away. It's a heavy, quiet kind of guilt, isn't it? To look at your life and realize while you're busy building it, fixing it, and planning for it, you are completely missing the experience of living it. I mean, actually living it. If you know exactly what that feels like, I want you to take a deep breath. You're not alone and you're not failing. My name is Sharath and I'm your friend in your mindfulness journey. For a long time, I thought being productive means keeping my mind running 24/7. I thought if I stopped thinking or stopped planning, everything would fall apart. But a few years ago, I had a wake up call. I was sitting with my daughter playing a game. To anyone looking through the window, it looked like a perfect family moment. But in my head, it was pure chaos. I was tracking my finances, managing a mental to do list, and I was feeling this low level anxiety vibrating through my chest. Suddenly, my daughter looked up at me, smiled, and asked me a question, and I had absolutely no idea what she had just said. That had hit me like a physical blow. I realized that my time was slipping right through my fingers. My life was happening right now, but I was treating it like background noise while I focused on a future that hadn't even arrived yet. We've been conditioned to believe that our minds always need to be doing something, so we live trapped inside our heads. And the tragedy is, we don't just miss the bad days, we miss the beautiful, ordinary moments that we can never get back. So, how do we stop the time traveling? How do we step out of our heads and back into our lives? Well, it doesn't require you to go sit on a mountain or clear your mind of all thoughts. It just requires you to learn how to drop an anchor. Think about a ship in a storm. The storm is your emails, your thoughts, your all your mental chatter. If the ship doesn't drop an anchor, it gets swept away. Dropping an anchor doesn't mean that the storm instantly disappears, but it stops the ship from drifting. The next time you catch yourself drifting away from the people in front of you, I want you to try a simple physical reset. Don't fight the thoughts, just tell yourself silently, anchor. That will bring you back to the present moment. Bring your entire focus to your physical senses. Feel the weight of your feet touching the floor. Feel the sensation of the clothes to your skin. Look at the person in front of you. Feel the temperature inside the room and how you are experiencing it on your skin. Notice the details. Just look at the person, how they are talking, or you can also look at the things in your room and mentally label them to make sure that you're mindful of where you are and how you are feeling in that exact moment. By forcing your brain to process the physical reality of the present room, you pull your awareness out of the imaginary world inside your head and you come back to reality. Mindfulness isn't about escaping your real life or finding the perfect inner peace. It's about having the courage just to show up for the life you actually have right now. Show up for the people who are waiting for you to be there. The work will always be there tomorrow, the emails will wait, but this exact moment will only happen once. Just live it, because at the end of the day, little things matter. Your memories will be based on those little things, those little cute, beautiful moments. Let's start practicing together, one small anchor at a time. If this spoke to you, stick around. Let's take this journey step by step. My name is Sharath, and I will see you in the next video. If you learned something today, Please like this video, comment your feelings or your opinions. Please do share with your friend who needs this. And let's meet in the next video.